So look at this situation. So we have to integrate dx by this thing. So let's rewrite this question. We have dx by x minus 1 3 by 4 x plus 2 power 5 by 4. So if you'll observe these type of question, no, look at the sum of powers. So sum of power will come out to be 2, correct? Now look at similar question. Again you have similar question whose sum of power comes out to be 2. Okay. So what you have to do under this situation, first you have to multiply and divide by the other component. Okay. So if you don't have problem with x minus 1, multiply divide by x plus 2. If you don't have problem with x plus 2, you have to multiply and divide by x minus 1. Okay. Now look at how I will connect the dots. So suppose that I have to multiply and divide by x plus 2, x plus 2. Now what should be the power of x plus 2? So look, if you are dividing by this, multiplying and dividing by this, you have to take power of this thing. Okay. And if you are taking that thing, you will take another's power. So power is 3 by 4. Power is 3 by 4. Now let's update the situation. So if you'll update, you will have, look at this, dx by x minus 1 by x plus 2. You can connect both of them. The power will be 3 by 4. X plus 2 will have power as 2. Base same, power add. 8 by 4 is 2. Now, first try to observe that among these two terms, which part is appearing ugly to you? Yes, this is the part which is annoying. So what we will do, we will take that thing as z. So x minus 1 upon x plus 2. Now let's differentiate both sides. So it is dz by dx. You know that it is u by v, so we will keep denominator as it is, x plus 2. Now differentiate the numerator. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of constant is 0. Minus, you will keep numerator as it is. Now differentiate denominator. So differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 2 is 0. Upon, what will do? Denominator square. Okay. Now let's simplify things. So this we will have x plus 2 minus x plus 1. This thing gone. We have x plus 2 power 2. So can I write dz by 3? I will take constant and we will have dx by x plus 2 whole square. Now I hope that why you have taken that component as z. Okay. Now let's update the equation first. So dx by that thing is 1 by 3 dz, and this thing is z power 3 by 4. Now look at this, how much question has been simplified. Okay. So let's rewrite the question in most simplest way. So it is z power minus 3 by 4 dz. You know that you can solve now. So you will be writing 1 by 3 z to the power minus of 3 by 4 plus 1 will become 1 by 4, and then divided by 1 by 4. So it will become 4 by 3. Okay. Correct? Huh? And plus integration constant C. Now you know that they have given you question in terms of x, not z. So you have to replace the z. So it is 4 by 3 into z was what? X minus 1 by x plus 2 power 1 by 4 plus c. Now look at this. What I have told you guys, I have given you freedom to divide by either of the component, means either x minus 1 or x plus 2. So for learning process, this step is allowed, but for getting the marks, what you have to do, you have to observe the answer first. If in answer carries this component, so you have to take this thing as z. If answer is carrying x plus 2 by x minus 1, you will be taking that component as z. I hope the idea is clear and you can handle this question. Okay.